So guys, it's me VDV and today I'm going to try the food from at Tampines Safra, and today look at the dishes again. So today the first dish I'm going to try is the egg tofu. It's different from that time because that time they will add all those minced meat, but because normally the minced meat tofu will be non-spicy, but in the end it's spicy, so that's why I may not be trying the minced meat, but I will be trying the egg tofu today. Ooh, looks like I will see some glaze inside. And you can see that the outer part is like very crispy. It's very crispy on the outside. Inside the egg there's like a lot of eggy flavor inside of the tofu. Now for our next dish, we're going to taste the 3 types of egg veggies. As you can see, I'm a fan of veggies, that's why I will try it with the century egg. It's so yummy. It's like, even though that it tastes normally like the same as jumbo. No, like jumbo, the Chinese seafood restaurant. But this is like 2 times better than this. Enough. And next dish we are going to try it from the yam crispy crust. Now I'm going to try it. But first I'm going to do something. As you can see, I'm going to do something now. Time to try this prawn mantou bun. That's so yummy. As I ate it with the prawn inside, it's so flavorful inside, and the prawn has a lot of seafood flavor. Now we're going to try the tentacles. Wow. As I ate it with the tentacles, there's like more flavor inside from the mango and the prawn. And now for our last dish, our next dish I will taste is the coffee pot meat. Now I'm going to have a taste. Okay, now we can cut it. I have a taste. This coffee pot meat is delicious, but to me I think they added a lot of coffee flavor. That's why I can like feel a lot of coffee flavor. But now I'm going to do something with the coffee pot meat. Don't worry. And taste. I think there's more flavor together with the mango, and that's why it tastes very good. And now for our last dish, the seafood hor-fun noodles, egg noodles. Yeah. It's so hot. It's hot. I can say it's really hot. And it's at that time I did one of the videos and I said it's so hot when I didn't blow it immediately, and I just ate it with just one mouth. Now this time I'm going to try some dishes. Let's try with the prawns. Ooh, I think I just got some Chinese sausages there. Now I'm going to have a taste. This is the best combination I've ever ate. And I would say one of the best restaurants I've ever eaten. I've eaten the best dishes in a Chinese restaurant. It's really nice, very flavorful. So now from last dish, it won't be any food. Start taking the lime juice. I think I could say this lime juice is like sour, but it still has the right lime flavor. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And I was hoping to get at least 20 subscribers at the end of September. And I will see you in the next video. Adios amigos. Peace.